Hello everyone. So in today's video, we would be seeing how to create the line chart and area chart. So for just creating a line chart, we would be clicking on a certain visual that is available for creating a line chart. Click it and you would be able to see the graph of line chart here. So to interpret or to place the visuals properly, I would be using certain categories from my data set to visualize it properly. Okay. So in the line chart, we always know there is x-axis and y-axis. So in the x-axis, I would be placing a certain field that is in my data set of Superstore is having order date. So I would be analyzing year by year sales. So let's drag the order date into the x-axis. So I have years, quarters, month and day which I don't want to analyze right now. So year wise I want. So I would just keep the year's data into it. And in the y-axis you can see that it would be like only the numerical values which should be placed. So I would drag all any of the numerical values here. So as of now we are analyzing only of sales. So I would drag the sales column into y-axis. So this is how you can create a simple line chart with the few continuous fields and few numerical fields. So you can analyze here that we have 2014, 15, 16, 17 years data of a superstore, and in 2014 we have certain sales that is 4,84,247. So this was a sales in 2014 and which declined in 2015. So we can analyze and we can see this properly, that is it's declining a little bit. And again it raised in 2016 and in 2017 also it has raised a double of 2015. So this is how like aggregate years sales we can analyze. So what if not, like if I want how the regions are performing in the sales. This is overall store is performing. So regions are nothing but the countries situated in geographical, we can say the placements of the countries, whether it is in the west or in the east or in the north or in the center or in the south. So this is the placements of the country. So which all regions are best performing if I want to see this. So I would use the regions. So this would bifurcate overall sales into the regions. So let us drop these regions column. We have regions here and I'll just place the regions into legend. So legend is the scale which can be seen in the graph. So this is actually filtering or segregating the overall sales in the central, east, south and west region. So we can analyze here that there was the west region in 2014 which performed the best as compared to other regions, and it declined in 2015. It was in the second position and it was the not central, it was the east region which performed better than the west region, and then again it took its position again back and performed it well in 2016 and 17 way back. Okay, and we also can see that the central and the south region was at third position and they bifurcated, means these performance of south got worsened and in the central it got raised, and it raised as well in the 16 and 17. It was constant in 16 and 17. So this was the analytics which we are doing the logically. If I want it to analyze according to the tool which is here. So if I just click on this further analysis, it would show me certain filters or certain parameters I can see. So this is a trend line. If I just click on the trend line, it would show me what is the trend of the sales. So it would, we can say that it is increasing day by day in each region. And what is the average line, average sale performed in a superstore? So this is an average line. If I click on this particular thing and click on add line, so we can see here the average sales of the superstore, that it performed well, or the average is good in the 14 and 15, and it is showing a little decline in 2015, 16 and 17, as we have a great difference between each and every region. So this is how we can analyze with the help of line chart a particular trend of a sale or any of the numerical values which is used for finding out the trend line. Okay, so now let's move further towards the area chart. So how can we convert this particular line chart into the area chart? We can see by clicking on the visuals here. So this area line chart I would be converting into area chart. I'll just click on area chart. So this would show me an each and every region converted into the area chart. So as well as we have a trend line as well. I would just off it right now. I just don't want right now, and I'll just remove the average line as well. So this is the area chart which is showing the area of certain region, which is like the area of sales. So this is how we can create the line chart and the area chart. Thank you for watching.